Meet Electron, Rocket Lab's state-of-the-art all-carbon composite launch vehicle. This is a totally different way to build a rocket. Each one of these engines is 3D printed out of Inconel superalloy, and right now we can print around about one engine every 24 hours. We're building the world's first private orbital launch site. We can launch more frequently than anywhere else on the planet.
RLM, this is flight on mission coord. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, liftoff. Liftoff confirmed.
Space is now open for business.
It's not just a satellite, not just a launch vehicle, it's a full end-to-end solution. So I want to introduce you to Rocket Lab's very first Photon satellite, First Light.
Electron is going reusable. If we can capture the vehicle in wonderful condition, we should be able to put it back on the pad and go again. I thought this was impossible. At Rocket Lab, we do what we say we're going to do. This is not a revolution of the big. This is a revolution of the small. When we say we're going to do something at Rocket Lab, we do it. Not just once, but over and over again. The Electron rocket defined a number of industry firsts. First carbon fibre rocket to orbit, in fact. Somebody told me once that was going to be impossible. And it's reusable. And then there's the engines. The Rutherford rocket engine, the very first 3D printed rocket engine ever to go into orbit. And in fact also the very first electric pump cycle rocket engine ever produced. And of course we didn't stop at rockets. We started building satellites too. Satellites to go to low Earth orbit, satellites to the Moon, to Mars and Venus and beyond. And there's a lot more to come. But first, I've got to take care of some business here. There's a lot of things at Rocket Lab that we said we were going to do that we've done. And a few things at Rocket Lab that we said we would never do, which we have also done. So I really think with this project, it's about time I finally ate the hat. Avoidance of all doubt, this hat is not tasty. But there's some things we said we would never do. But we're going to build a big rocket. It's called Neutron, and behind me is just the fairing. This is a purpose-built mega constellation building machine for all the mega constellations of today and of tomorrow. It's an 8-ton class launch vehicle, and of course, it's reusable. But one thing that's probably more exciting and most unusual for Rocket Lab is that this vehicle is capable of human spaceflight. Launching 2024.